found another glitch. The weight is the key to everything. That one glitch someone else showed over on Punket's Tumblr, the weight was the key to it. The Shrewdler torture time, the key to it is the weight. And this one also requires the weight. The weight is the key to everything. The weight is the key to true harmony in the universe. Okay, now we need to take this fella. Get him out of here. And then bring him back in. I'm telling you, this weight has magical properties. We're gonna eat that. I gotta figure this out, hang on. Oh wait, I remember what I did. Oh no, that's a little far out of view. Put that like right there. You need more of a standing still, right? It all depends on the angle. I just gotta find... There we go. That angle. For that one. And for this one, it's like over here. Not quite there. It's... I want to say about here. No? Okay. Well, we got one dog stuck. We can figure out this one. There we go. As you can see, it's a lot of trial and error. And then once we go over here, because I accidentally rolled, we'll find that they're still here, actually. There's another configuration you can do that gets them to despawn, but haven't been able to recreate that one. I know I've done it before. But now they're just stuck here for all eternity. I wonder what happens. Hang on, we're gonna test something. What if we get Shrewdler over there and perform the Shrewdler glitch? How does that impact that? We're gonna see here. Come on, Shrewdler. Come on, buddy. Nope, hang on. Wait, I almost had it there. Okay, he just clicked through a wall there. Wait, hang on. Okay, so you can clip him through that wall there. Oh, and it completely stops them from bouncing. Just watch. Now that I accidentally rolled again, we're gonna see now they're back to jumping. Or do they just periodically stop? This gets more interesting the more we dive deeper. Hey, it's me, Yacker from the edit. I found some interesting stuff while looking through the files for a good reference of the envelope dog. As you can see here, I found 2 work-in-progress transformations. So just like Wario, Susan is going to have transformations. One is a bunny, and one is a work-in-progress re-sprite of something from Wario.